So guys, this is Ugo TV. So in one of my videos, I showed you guys how to play this chord. So today I'm going to be breaking it down, playing on the key of F. So guys, what I played was simple. This is the first chord. So the notes, I'm holding my Fa and my La. Then the second note, the second chord, I'm holding my Mo and my Fa. The third one, I'm holding my Re and my Fa. The fourth one, I'm holding my Do and my Mi. The fifth one, I went back to holding my Re and my Fa. Fifth one. So the sixth one, I'm holding my Mo and my So. Then the last one, I'm holding my Mi and my So. So this is it, guys. So follow up for more updates. But before I go, let me just add it to a play, okay? As you guys can see, I'm adding it to a playing, okay? So guys, follow up for more updates, and remember I have a WhatsApp class. If you wish to join, just text me and I'll add you up. Thank you guys.